Hello everyone, my name is Casey Mondragon from BS Spring Tracy. Today we're comparing the RA 9344 and the Juvenile Delinquency Prevention Act from United States of America. The Philippine RA 9344, also known as the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act, the United States Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act both aim to protect and rehabilitate young offenders, but their approaches differ based on their national context. First, let's discuss the similarities between RA 9344 and the JJDPA. Rehabilitate focus both prioritize rehabilitating young offenders rather than punishing them, promoting reintegration into societies. Prevention programs. They emphasize community-based prevention efforts to reduce juvenile crime. Separation from adults. Both laws